Step 1, get the box. This big ass box. Step 2, get food. When you get stubborn or hulog. Step 3, get the stick. And kakipotas. Step 4, get tomatoes and some Step 6, stop 7. When you get thin like this. Is Francesca there? Francesca, say hi. Is Francesca, say hi again. Malakas, Jessica, Soho. Malakas.
Hello mga kasisiw.
And si Jessica. Francesca here. And si Ming Ming is almost eat my sisiu. And step 8. Feed food every day. Go. Number 9.
Step number.
Number 9.
Your love will be.
Number 9.
Ayun yung number 10.
Number 10. Hold on. Number 9. Your ini stick. Super balance. And number 10.
Is your love your virtues?
Money, ne. Money is only ne. Money, ne. This is the big one there. And this is the little one. So looking cool here. Say hi. It's packing me. Hey. Stop. This is the coffee gun.
This is the
And this is the food is almost done.
Let's go to the
And this is the stick. You have a big box. Use it. Peace. Goodbye, guys. Peace.